very interesting piece of music here. I've just chosen E flat to be the key that I want to sing this song and illustrate to you how I am singing it. And in the key I'm playing. This is the scale. Do re mi fa sol la ti la so fa mi re do. That is the scale I'm using. Chakutumaini Sina, ila damu yake Bwana, sina wema wa kutosha, dhambi zangu kuziosha, kwake Yesu nasimama, sina dhambi. So anyway, what we want to do is that so this is the E flat. Then I can improvise, add some pull-offs, add some slides on the song. Like I can say, Chakutumaini Sina. So I just slide. Chakutumaini Sina. So Chakutumaini Sina. So I'm sliding. Chakutumaini Sina. So I can improvise by adding the slide. Chakutumaini Sina, ila damu yake Bwana. I'm playing up at the point of saying ila damu. I can play a hammer on, or I can do a pull-up. I'm just doing a hammer on, and so I'm playing the chord progression E flat, G sharp major, and this is D flat. So I can improvise a rhythm. So I can play. Then I come to D flat. So I can play anything around there, around E flat and all that. You can add slide, hammer on. You can add a vibrato. Chakutumaini Sina. At that point, you can add a vibrato. Chakutumaini Sina. Chakutumaini. Slide, then vibrato. Then you can add something like that. Very interesting.